Okay, this is a high efficiency washing machine and it sprung a leak, and this is how I fixed it. There's a couple of screws on the back. Those have been removed. The whole top slides off. Takes a little effort to slide it back. There are tabs right here that it slides on, and they slide on this catch right here. See that right there? That pin locks into there. Alright, so the lid is off, and the leak from my washing machine was this solenoid set right here. There's two screws that it mounts to right here. They screw onto this plate in the back. There's a screw hole right there. Alright, so to remove the valve, the two screws have been removed. There's three connectors, and they kind of sit right where they belong. Take a pair of channel locks and you remove the hoses. Sorry, one at a time. And once you take the clamp off, break the hose loose, and then you put it on the new valve one at a time. And you repeat that for the rest of the other two hoses. Very simple repair. Break it loose. Break it loose. Okay. Okay, and then two mounting screws, and the connectors. And we are back in business. Ooh.